Hello everyone, it's Vaishali and you are watching Do It Yourself Always. I am going to give you an easy and quickie DIY video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can easily make wine bottle vases for home decor. You are going to need some basic materials like wine bottles and some acrylic colors and other materials I will show you in the video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this project you are going to need some wine bottles. These are the bottles that I'm taking. You need to clean the bottles and peel up all the labels. I used warm water and metal scrubber to remove the labels. And other than this, you are going to need such box. This is a round box, a chips box. So and white acrylic color and a piece of foam you are going to need to paint these bottles and box. While painting on the box and bottles, you just need to follow the tapping process. So here tap the foam on surface and this way it gives a clean look. Now taking this wine bottle and with white acrylic color, I will paint this too. Here I have taken 3 different shapes of wine bottles and a box. So this is just to give a different look. If you use same shapes of bottle, there will not be that different look you want. If you don't want to use white acrylic color, then you can use white spray paint instead of the acrylic colors. So using the same tapping method, I painted this bottle too. Now for this bottle, I am going to change its look a bit by adding this tissue paper roll. You need to attach this roll on the bottle's neck in such a way. By doing so, this will extend the height of the bottle and it will give a nice shape also. So I'm using a masking tape here to attach this roll on the bottle. You need to cut the small pieces of the tape, and when you stick the tape, make sure you do not clutter the area because we want a clean look. So you see, by attaching this tissue paper roll on bottle, it has completely changed the look of the bottle and it has also extended the height of the bottle. So once you are done with attaching the tissue paper roll, you need to paint this bottle with white acrylic color. Using acrylic colors can be a time-consuming process, but if you use spray paints, it will minimize the time of painting these bottles. Make sure you thoroughly paint the bottles, and it can take up to 2 to 3 coats to give a complete coverage. Let these bottles completely dry, and when it is completely dried, we are going to do the decorations on it. So here on this bottle, what I have done is, using a sketch pen, I draw this wave line at the bottom of one of the bottles. And this is a stone effect paste you are going to need. This paste will give a cement-like effect on the area you are going to paint. So I'm going to cover the bottom part of the bottle by applying this stone effect paste. As you see here, also you need to follow the tapping process to apply this paste. I will share the link in description box where you can buy this paste. For full coverage, you need to apply 2 coats of this paste. Once the first coat is completely dry, then only apply the second coat. This is how it's going to look after second coat. Now coming to this chips box, here also I am drawing a wave line at the bottom, and using metallic color I am going to cover this. also, for full coverage you have to apply 2 to 3 coats of this metallic color. So this metallic color that I'm using is a little light in shade, so I had to apply around 3 coats on it. Now come to this bottle on which we have attached a tissue paper roll. The area you see where we have sticked the tape, we need to cover that area because it's a little rough. So to hide this area, I'm going to use this stone effect paste. So using this paste, this area will be covered. Here also I have drawn this wave line so that the design will match with other bottles. This is a jute thread I'm going to use and a white glue. So we are going to wrap this thread around the neck of this bottle. Now you see the top part, we need to cut this in oval shape. By cutting this in such a way, it will give a nice look to the bottle. For the last bottle, the decoration is very simple. Using a sellotape, I have made a lining in the middle part of the bottle, and using metallic color, we need to cover this line. Again, apply 2 to 3 coats for a clean look, and once the paint is completely dried, remove the tape carefully. Do the corrections if needed with white color. So this way our vases are now ready. At the end, I added some beautiful flowers to give them more special touch. So using these methods, you can create some wonderful home decor out of old bottles to brighten up any room. This fantastic home decor is pretty easy to make and fairly inexpensive. Try this home decor idea and let me know by your comments how did you find this. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful DIY. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to this channel, and this easy DIY idea is definitely going to help you out a lot in decorating your homes. Share the video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video, my next DIY project. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and take care.